Saturday and Austin and I are gonna brave the cold. There's a lovely little green pasta.
Okay, you can let me work on this.
Well, we made it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Alyssa, for those of you who are new, corporate 30-something New Yorker about to go to work. But first, I'm actually gonna go to Macy's to look at some new work bags because last week, I did not talk about this on the vlog because you know what, good vibes only, but I lost my wallet. I don't know if someone took it out of my bag. I don't know if it fell, but it was gone. And we know someone found it because they charged, I froze all my cards, but they charged my transit card, my work transit card. It's 15 degrees. It's been a cold snap in New York. So, I'm gonna sneeze. Bless me. It's been a cold snap in New York, so I am suited up. I'm literally wearing ski socks and boots. I've got a button down and then my insane puffer jacket, headband, and I'm like, wait, why does it feel like Boston here? Like, wait, I didn't move to Boston. Like, I moved to New York, so gee bless. But let's hit the town. We're having another night of Austin in the kitchen. We'll have him, I think he's prepping the food for tonight because we're actually gonna go, we have a sauna date. Me and Austin, we're gonna hit the sauna. Oh yes, I got him a little sauna hat for his birthday. We're gonna see if they actually do help cool our temperature. But we're gonna have this Iberico pork. I showed you guys the pork box that he got for Christmas from his parents in the last vlog. So have some of that. And then he requested that I make those crackers, my famous seed crackers. So I've got those waiting to be spread and baked. And yeah, just a nice pre-blizzard evening, am I right? We are home from the sauna. It was amazing. It's like a sauna cold plunge. Oh, I tell Austin it puts me in the best mood, and I love that we get to do it together. And my crispy sea crackers are done. Austin bought this amazing cheese at Italy today. Alta Badia Milfi. Oh, it's Mila. I can't read this thing. It's delicious. And let's check up on what he's cooking.
Come back.
Oh, come back. Wait, you're wearing your you're wearing your kitchen sweater. Austin has this sweater that he spilled on, and so now he wears it while cooking. Just call it his cooking sweater now because he can wear it in the kitchen and not worry about getting it dirty. Ooh, yeah. Give us the crunch. Give us the crunch. Some good crunch. Oh, for me? Oh. Final meal. Oh man. Wow. Polenta, pork neck that we got from Campo Grande, and then a charred cabbage with some salsa verde. And then I'm about to dress this salad, a little light bite as well to complement. I plan to be in my robe for the rest of the evening. Like, a blizzard is coming, I'm going to be in my robe. Like, no brainer. So I'm gonna eat this piece by piece. I don't know if I like the broth thing. It's really salty.
You want to pour it out? I mean, I like it, but yeah.
Would you agree?
It's salty.
It's a wee bit salty. Ooh, the salsa verde. Austin and I decided that we need a sweet treat, but it says it feels like 6 outside and it's dropping down to 4. But we're willing to travel to Cafe Pana and get a little goodie. But I'm a little bit nervous. So, thoughts and prayers. I'm doing sweats with a puffy jacket, which normally would make me sweat so bad, but I think we have no other choice. Like, I simply won't survive. And we got the Ugg boots on. Zip this bad boy up. Oh my much, and I still don't feel like it's enough. I'm so Californian that I pregame the cold. Like I suit up inside so that I'm like really toasty when I go out there. Not a second loose or to spare. Well, we made it. Almost. Austen said it's not that bad. I'm willing to take my scarf off to talk to you guys. Austen said it wasn't that bad. He's a liar. He's like, it's the temperature of a ski town when we walk to go to dinner. I'm like, yeah, and I'm freezing my butt off. But you guys, he looks pretty normal. So I look like an abominable Michelin man. But you know what? Whatever. Who cares? Who am I gonna run into tonight, you know?
Can't even.
It's Saturday and Austen and I are gonna brave the cold. It's currently like 11 or 12. Feels like -5. I'm suited and booted. Not to worry, I have plenty of Uniqlo heat tech on underneath this, as well as like a wool sweater, wool scarf, gloves, the jacket. I'm like hot in this. Austen, dare I say, is just in normal clothes, which is so unfair. But we're gonna go to Soho, walk around, do some fun errands, try to enjoy the day even though it's ridiculously cold outside, just to feel something, you know? Full suit on. So I've got wool pants and I've got ski socks and Uniqlo heat tech tights underneath, boots, Frankie Shop sweater that is wool with the Uniqlo heat tech cami underneath. This coat is source unknown. My Kuchin wool scarf, gloves are Uniqlo, and then I just got a little wool headband from Aritzia. I'm really into the wool headbands these days. I don't know. I like that they don't like completely smush my head, and I can wear my hair up, which we love. So let's hit it, shall we? We went to lunch at this hand-pulled noodle place in Chinatown, and now we're stopping in the wine store. It's Austen's birthday next week, so wanted to pick up some wines. We will be ending dry January next week, and Wine Therapy is one of our favorite places downtown to get natural wines. So. Austen's cooking us some dinner. Tell us about your chicken dilemma and how we're making pasta tonight instead.
Everybody went to go get a chicken because of the incoming storm.
Oh yeah, it's gonna snow.
There's fears of a major chicken shortage. So everybody's stockpiling, and now we're chickenless. So
How
we're gonna
much
have.
is it gonna snow this weekend?
Oh, it's gonna be
What did it say?
9 inches to 12 feet.
Wait, what?
What?
That's very drastic. Which is it?
I don't know, but we're not finding any chickens
Oh.
in that snow.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a lot.
Probably not. All right. Wait, what's the vision for tonight's dinner?
It's pesto, but with
Ooh, whoops.
kale.
The things in it.
With kale.
A pesto with kale.
But
Oh,
if you
yeah.
call it
Nut-free.
cavolo nero, it sounds way fancier. So it's pesto cavolo nero.
Okay. So I hope you guys will enjoy having some dinner with us tonight. It's cold as ish, and this weekend could not be more dreadful. The only good news about this weekend is that Cher has invited us to go to Central Park and do some like bootleg sledding on these child mattresses that she bought off Amazon. So, I mean, we have the ski clothes, so we have like waterproof clothes, and I was like, why not? I mean, what's the worst that could happen?
Your perfect moment to go sledding in Central Park.
I mean, I kind of feel like at least the pants, like maybe not the jacket, like the jacket I'm less concerned about, but the pants, yeah, because it's going to get like all over your legs. Anyway, that's neither here nor there.
Just gonna blanch that and dunk it in here for like a quick second. And then
Very green.
look at that. Look how dark green it is. Okay, lemon zest.
This is for the sauce.
Yeah. Fusilati. The pasta's al dente.
Yum. There's a little green pasta.
Okay, you can let me work on this.
Did you season them or no?
Yeah, they're like garlic crumbs.
Yeah. Oh, is the garlic blended with it?
I made it the garlic and the oil.
Okay, but then what'd you do with the garlic?
It's in the green sauce.
Oh, nice. He keeps these on his phone. Sometimes he posts them, this time he doesn't. So it's always a mystery.
I need a professional camera.
It's my time to shine. Little taste test. Am I supposed to eat the lemon?
You can.
You think?
No.
I don't know if I'm trying to find out. Ooh. Very, very hot. Mmm. Mmm. Really good.
That's really good.
I think we're gonna eat all the pasta.
Yeah.
It's very, very spring, obviously, but the lemon flavor is actually, after all that, the lemon flavor is what's the strongest,
Yeah.
which is funny because I
It's
feel like
not-
the kale was at first, but then now it's like the lemon rind,
The kale is very background.
the basil. All right, you guys, as you saw, it's snowing and I'm geared up, not to hit the slopes, but to hit Central Park. So I've got my ski clothes on. I'm about to put my moon boots on and meet up with my friends in the park. We're just gonna do like a walk. Nothing crazy, but I gotta get going. So I'll bring you guys along with, and let's have hopefully a fun snow day, but also stay warm.